Mom hack: if you ever need motivation to do your makeup, just start a YouTube channel. Easy. I meant to film my me doing my hair for my baby sprinkle last weekend, but I was running out of time, so I'm going to recreate it. I used this Revlon, I can't remember the name of it, but I'm gonna call it a beach waver. Super easy, took no time, and I watched a Brad Mondo video first to just get his like hacks and stuff. So I'm gonna recreate that, and we're gonna have girl talk, and I need to vent. Mama needs to vent. Okay, so to start off, we are going to put in a serum. By the way, I'm not a hairdresser. My sister and my cousin are hairdressers, but I take their advice and I just run with it. So yeah, here we are. It's just years of trial and error. My hair is naturally curly / wavy, so I've just, honestly, since having my son, I trained my hair. I can now go over a week without shampooing, so I go like 8 days, every 8 days. So with that, to save time, I straighten it one day out of the week, and it just lasts the whole week. So I can curl it, I can wave it, I have a wand, or I can just keep it straight. So half the time I just have it in a claw clip. So okay, so I added the serum, and it is IGK Best Life. I can't remember which line this is from, but the shampoo and conditioner smell great. So okay, so first we're going to section off pieces. I normally do like 3 sections, maybe 4 at the very top, and then my like bangs I do last, because they're what you see first. So we did a baby sprinkle last weekend. Didn't invite a ton of people, just like close friends and family, because I didn't want people to make a fuss out of it since it's not my first baby. So it was nice. We just had a few people over, nothing big, cake. We did brunch, so easy, coffee, mimosas. It was a nice time. But I wanted to look kind of boho-y, mermaidy, like, I don't know. The theme was baby in bloom, so it kind of like 70s hippie vibe. I don't know, but there was just like my sister-in-law is, I'm gonna call her an unofficial party planner because she's just so good at it. I keep telling her that she needs to like start her own business, but like a week or 2 before the party, she called me to like ask me all the questions, like, do you want these balloons, these decorations, this chair? I'm like, nope, I don't need any of that. Just keep it simple. All I want is fresh flowers everywhere, and that's what we did. So it was nice. Okay, so tip number 1 from Brad Mondo. Normally when you're doing these beach wavers, you're like, I'll show you. You like hold it down like this, but he said to give it more volume and depth to do it vertical like this, so it works. Oh, and another thing was when you start a new little section to like push up to hold the wave in place. And you don't have to really hold that long. I don't know, I'm just holding it long because this style is gonna last me a few days. So yeah. So yeah, I am 38 weeks on Monday. So we're getting close. I'm glad I got the sprinkle out of the way. Next is maternity photos, so we'll see how that goes. If I can fit into any dresses. I don't have a dress yet. I have a vision, but I can't find a dress. And who knows if it'll get here in time. I want to do it next week, so I'm not super huge and swollen for the pictures. I should have done this already. This pregnancy compared to my first one is just, y'all, toddlers are no joke. Like, I wish I could go back to my first pregnancy, and every time I complained that I was tired or exhausted, just smack myself, because I had no idea. The first time around, I could take naps during the day and just, you know, take it easy, but naps don't exist because every time he takes a nap, I have a million things that I need to do, so I don't get a nap. I will say though, sometimes if it's been a rough day, I will catch a little snooze with him when I'm putting him to sleep. Just take like a 30-minute. I did that yesterday, it was great. But if I don't get that, I just do some decaf coffee and keep on trekking. But I know this is just a season in my life right now, and I'm gonna make it through, but it is not for the weak, I will say that. But honestly, God knows what he's doing. He knew I could handle this. Even if I think I can't handle it, I just keep telling myself that I can. What I love about this waiver is it's so quick, and you can get through these sections so much faster than like a wand or a curling iron. And the bigger the section, the less defined the waves. So it looks more like natural. And sorry if I keep looking over here. I finally got a baby monitor. I put it on our registry. It was like a dual camera, and then you can split the screen. But I never got one for my first baby shower. So I'm eating this up. This is great. Like, I don't know why I didn't get one sooner. So I have it sitting up, and I keep looking over there. Okay, so that first section is done, and he said to like zhuzh it out whenever you got done with it. Honestly, I'll just zhuzh it out at the end. So we got the first section done. Let's do this next section. This thing was like so cheap too for how good it works. And it's Revlon. I think I got it at TJ Maxx. It was like 20 bucks. I wanted the big Amica one, the like extra large one, but it's like, I can't remember how much it was on Amazon. It's still sitting in my wish list, so I'm gonna get it eventually. I have not started nesting yet. The only thing that I did so far, like, I'm so behind with this pregnancy. I need to clean out her car seat. All I've done was go through all of her clothes and wash them with our natural laundry detergent, and all her blankets. And I feel like we have enough clothes, but we will see. I've only got one box of diapers because we use Thrive Market, And I mean, not everybody has a membership to, or a subscription to Thrive, so I didn't put diapers on the registry. I just did a diaper fund, but we have wipes, obviously, because our son's still in diapers. Yeah, I'm very behind this go round. I guess I'm just more laid back, and I'm like just more go with the flow. Like, yeah, we can get diapers. It's no big deal. What else do I not have? I need to wash the car seat. I need to like meal prep, and like for this one, I wanted to cook a bunch of meals and freeze them, because that was one thing that I wish I would have done with the first postpartum period, because you do not feel like cooking when you've been up all night, all day with the baby. You don't get a second to breathe. In the very beginning, I contact napped, so I couldn't get anything done, but I'm gonna try to do better about putting her in the bassinet this go round. And of course I'm gonna have my son too, so like when am I gonna have time to cook? I don't know how moms do it. I really don't. Moms are superheroes. People do not give moms enough credit. So I need to meal prep, freeze some stuff, yeah, stock up on healthy stuff. I stocked up on my prenatals. So like I don't take like one size fits all prenatal. There's reasoning behind that, but I take like 5 different supplements: beef liver capsules, magnesium, vitamin E, vitamin K7, and methylated folate. So I was running low, so I just restocked. So I'm just gonna keep taking those after I have her, because your nutrients get super depleted after having babies. So that's looking good. Okay, next section. This might be the section I can show you the hack. Okay, so the hack is to take a piece and twist it, and then do the beach waver. I don't know why I keep calling it beach waver. It's called a mermaid waver? I don't know. I'm gonna try to do it vertical. But I kind of did them super tight last weekend, but they turned out so cute. It was my first time trying all that, and it turned out great. The only thing was my front pieces. I think I curled them, and they didn't last the whole time, so I'm just gonna do this little trick with them and just leave it. Almost done. Okay, and then I'll pull it out whenever it cools and set it. Yeah, this is a great little hack. I want to get is it called Bio-Ionic curling iron? It's the extra long barrel, because like my sister got me a curling iron a couple years ago for Christmas, but it's a 1 1/4 inch barrel, and I want to get a 1 inch so that I can get the beachy waves that I want. And I'm like, I'm not going anywhere. Like, the only thing we have this weekend is Mother's Day, so I'll just touch it up on Sunday if I need to. Another thing is I need to pack, like, I'm about to be 30 weeks. I probably should pack a hospital bag, but I really don't need to, just in case, I guess. But honestly, like, what do you really need? You need baby clothes and clothes for you. Like, you don't have to go all out. I know the first time around I just didn't know what to expect, so I like over prepared. Just make sure you, your baby, and your husband are clothed and have backups. What else? This one's going by way quicker than the first cover. So let's talk about YouTube real quick. So me and my friend, we've both been talking about starting YouTube channels since we met, honestly, which was like 4 years ago, and we just finally did it. I've wanted to do this for a very long time, honestly, since like 2015. It's when like makeup channels were really big. I just really wanted to be a makeup YouTuber, but that was almost 10 years ago and I never did it. So if you want to do something, just do it. Stop talking about it and just do it. I wish I could go back and start it. If you don't find your niche in the beginning, you'll find it eventually. So as of right now, we don't know what we're doing. We're just having fun making videos. Okay, so this is what it looks like before you brush out all the curls or the waves. So I'm gonna set it. This is Fido Paris Workable Holding Spray. It smells interesting. This stream is weird. Okay, so now let's comb out these with our fingers. And like, look how effortless, mermaidy this looks. I look like a mermaid. I love it. Looks really good on long hair. I'm sure it looks good on short too, but mermaids have long hair, right? So the front pieces, honestly, they look fine. So I'm just gonna. Okay. So that's the hair. I love it. Like, I wish I did this more. I need to do this more. This is what I did for my sprinkle. I had on a cute, like, peachy colored dress that had flowers, kind of stitched in. I'll post pictures, but this is just effortless mom, busy mom hairstyle. When you want to look extra but don't have the time. This is it. This is so cute. Okay. Thank you for watching. Yeah, we'll see you in the next one.